We are doing the big move. The next step is headbutt. Good job, babe. Proud of you. First step, get a hammer to get out the pegs because they're in the hardest ground ever. Good job, babe. Proud of you. Yep, use those strong muscles.
Yeah, how good. Yeah. Not bad.
3 down. The next step, unstrap these. So pull those off. Just come off like that. And usually we like to keep them on just like that. It's just easier for when we pack it away. Just make sure that these are put down as well. So when you fold up the annex, that it folds nice and easily into the bag that you've got. And then the next step is to unzip all the connections. You want to unzip this bit from the back. This is the back part for our annex and the side part. And then you want to unzip this one. So then you've got 3 separate components. Yeah, nice. The next step is, see these lines here? The annex is made. And the out is like that. For the side. For the side part. Pull it out. So what are you doing now, Jamie?
I'm strapping the strap. And then?
Pulling it into the middle?
No. How can this thing, whatever you call this thing? Oh, I need to go and get the pliers. Because I did bend up with the pliers.
You're unscrewing this bit at the top, and then you're going to pull it out.
Stitching on.
Yeah, just use whatever tool you have this handy. So you're pushing. Yeah, so you're pulling this out. And then now we've got the annex on the ground like this, and like how we pulled the other one across, like whoop, we're going to pull this one downwards. Where it pulls down and it's like in line, just pull it down backwards like that. Voila! And it's done on the floor. There we go. We are doing the big move, moving the caravan. It's pretty big. I'm riding my bike there. It's a pretty big ride. Yeah. Caravan moving and Jamie driving. Give us a wave. In for a big move. Let's go. Yeah, we're only moving next door. Yeah, boy.